Hello guys, so this is a quick tutorial of how to use Trello. This video will cover all the major functionalities and sections that you need to do, so let's start. First of all, make sure you log in with your correct credentials. After that, go to this grid top left corner and then click Trello. As it will redirect you to this dashboard, all you need to do is you click create here besides the search bar and then click create board. You can choose the background right here and then you have to type the title board, the board title. After that you have to choose the workspace. This option might be unavailable for you, so all you have to do is to go top right corner to your profile and go to create workspace right here. From here you choose the name of your workspace, you choose the type, for example marketing, and then the description, it's optional. Click continue. Here you can invite up to 9 people, so you can do this later. Okay, after that you have to exit from the X button here, go back to create a new board. You choose the workspace you just created right here and then choose the visibility, either private workspace public, keep it on workspace, it's recommended, click create, and now you created your workspace board. After that, to add the list, enter the list name, click add list. In this list, you can add multiple cards. So to add card, go to your inbox here, click add card and then set the title. Click add card and then drag and drop right here. To edit it, you can click right here, edit card. You can explore the multiple functionalities as you can see right here. I'm not gonna go deep into it so the video won't be so long, and then click save. You can do the same for the list. You can see the list actions right here. Click the three dots and then you can explore the same functionalities right here. Once you are satisfied with the list and the card permissions, you can click the card right here, and from this section you can do multiple things like add. You can add labels, dates, checklists, even members, or you can upload some attachments. So to modify the permissions, go to these three dots of the workspace and then go to settings. You can see the permissions right here, like commenting, adding and removing members, or even editing the workspace. You can change, for example, commenting to workspace members, adding and removing members to only admins that can do it. For the editing, you can disable it, so not anyone who can join the workspace can edit. So now the cool part right here is you can add some workflow automations by clicking on automation. You can explore all these options from a specific YouTube videos, and you can add power-ups, for example add mind map and flowchart. Click add, and these are the instructions how to use it. Make sure you follow up, and that's it. This is a quick video guys, so don't worry, it only contains the essentials of Trello. If you want to go in depth, make sure you check other specific videos. They will be longer than this one for sure. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure you subscribe and see you on the next one.